Hello everyone, it's Melis. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys about how you can see your passwords that is saved on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you're looking for your saved password on your iPhone but cannot find it anywhere, then this video is for you. So firstly, what you want to do is go to your settings, then click on your Apple ID, then click on iCloud, then click on your passwords and keychains and make sure that you're seeing this to your iPhone is turned on. If this is turned off, then this will not work. Then I want you to go back. Then you can click on the passwords button. You can search it and you find it here, passwords. Then you can search up. If I open this with my Face ID, you can see all the passwords that are there for the iPhone. So many applications as well as some websites. So you can find the safe passwords here. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like below. Please subscribe to our channel as well and share this video. If you have any more questions, then leave it on the comment box below and we'll be sure to address it. It's me, Ellie, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.